Have you ever enjoyed a delicious plate of shrimp and then wondered if there are certain foods you should avoid eating right after? It's something a lot of people don't think about, but the truth is that what you pair with shrimp can make a big difference to how your body reacts. Shrimp itself is packed with protein, low in calories, and filled with important nutrients like omega-3s, selenium, and vitamin B12. But when combined with the wrong foods, it can cause discomfort, reduce its health benefits, or even upset your stomach. One of the main things people should be careful about after eating shrimp is mixing it with large amounts of vitamin C-rich foods. While vitamin C is normally very healthy, when eaten in excessive amounts right after consuming shrimp, some people may experience digestive problems or feel uneasy. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy fruits or vegetables, but eating something like a big plate of citrus right after shrimp might not be the best idea for your stomach. Another food to avoid is dairy, especially if you have a sensitive digestive system. Shrimp and milk or creamy desserts right after can sometimes cause bloating, stomach cramps, or indigestion for certain people. This happens because seafood and dairy can be a heavy combination that's not easy to digest together. That's why traditional food pairings rarely mix shellfish with milk-based dishes. Alcohol is also something to think about. Drinking a lot of beer, wine, or cocktails with shrimp can put extra pressure on your liver and kidneys. Since shrimp already contains purines, which can contribute to uric acid buildup, combining it with alcohol may increase the risk of discomfort, especially for people prone to gout or joint pain. It's also a good idea to avoid too many processed or salty foods right after eating shrimp. Shrimp already has a natural sodium content, and when you add processed snacks, chips, or instant noodles on top, you're loading your body with too much salt at once. This can affect your blood pressure and make you feel bloated or sluggish. So, what's the best way to enjoy shrimp? Pair it with light, fresh, and balanced foods like vegetables, whole grains, or a simple salad. These help your body digest shrimp easily while letting all its nutrients shine. Shrimp can be an amazing and healthy meal, but knowing what not to eat right after can save you from discomfort and keep your dining experience enjoyable. At the end of the day, it's all about balance and making smart choices, so you can enjoy your favorite seafood without any regrets.